Earlier this week, President Biden made a comment during a 60 Minutes interview that's turning some heads.
The pandemic is over. We still have a problem with COVID. We're still doing a lot of work on it. But the pandemic is over.
Meanwhile, last week, the World Health Organization Director General said this.
We're not there yet, but the end is in sight.
And you'll see a lot of people sharing their opinion about whether or not the pandemic is in fact over. But who's in charge of determining that? Let's verify.
We asked Dr. William Moss, Executive Director of the International Vaccine Access Center, Johns Hopkins, Dr. Ali Mokdad, the Chief Strategy Officer for Population Health at the University of Washington, and the World Health Organization.
First, a bit of terminology.
According to the WHO, they're in charge of determining whether there's a public health emergency of international concern. That's the agency's highest level of alarm. And a WHO committee is required to meet every 3 months to determine whether it should still be in effect. At this point, the WHO says that an emergency is still in place. The committee will meet again in October.
The World Health Organization is the agency that will declare an emergency, then will declare it's a pandemic, and will coordinate across all countries that it is over or not. We haven't heard from WHO saying it's over.
And remember, while the president did say during that 60-minute interview that the pandemic is over, he also said, quote, "We still have a problem with COVID."
With your Verify, I'm Evan Kozloff.